And you said how much you got?
That's it.
That's it? Okay.
And a blowjob. I'm just I gotta talk to you. I need Jesus right now.
Yeah.
I got $40.
You got $40?
If you want to do it, I get it.
I just drove an hour, you got
I get the
$40.
crackhead. That's it.
You know, I got you. Let's just get you in here.
Yes. I want to free you.
I understand.
Hey, lawyer swipers.
You did have me drive all this way before you told me.
He didn't ask. No one, neither did I. So.
And you said how much you got?
That's it.
That's it? Okay.
And a blowjob. I'm just
You know what? You believe in Jesus, I believe in Jesus. $40. We'll call it even.